Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Ripple. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And remember, cryptos are open 24/7. So by using the broader time frame here, I can talk about general areas, and that way this video remains relevant for as long as possible. My goal is that if you're watching this video 20 hours from when I recorded it, the video is still going to be relevant for you because you can still ask yourself and kind of gauge a couple of these overall areas. Now, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. But Ripple has been on a very, very nice surge here, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and good, solid, well above average volume that's been extremely consistent. So a lot of eyeballs on this one right now. So let's map out a couple areas of support. First area of support is what I would call ideal level, meaning, again, if you're watching this video from 20 hours from now, ask yourself the question, well, where does the price stand relative to 36 cents? If you're answering that the price is still up above 36, that would be a huge sign of power. With that being said, if you're answering, well, actually the price is down below 36, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if you are answering that question that the price is still up above 36, that's a good sign on the bull's part. Next overall level of support to keep an eye on is at 34 cents. So if you're answering the question, well, the price is actually below 36, a next immediate question is, all right, well, where's the price relative to 34? If it's still up above 34, then that's still, a good sign. But taking a step back and looking at all of this from the grand scheme of things perspective, so this certainly assumes you have a broader time horizon on things, but that's where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So really, at the end of the day, once more, assuming you care about the grand scheme of it all, as long as you're answering the question that the price is still up above that purple line as that line moves higher and higher, then the overall health of the chart is fully bullish. So again, sure, staying up above 36 or 34 would be great, but big picture-wise, as long as the price is up above that purple line, then the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance, I'm not going to touch on those because that's pretty self-explanatory. If you're watching this video and the price is now up above 40 or 41, that's very, okay, yeah, the bullish movement continues. That's, like I said, very self-explanatory. But the most important thing right now, in my opinion at least, is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance and going higher. It's all just about going through healthy consolidations and building those higher bases. Case in point right here. Talk about a nice healthy consolidation. Sure, it went sideways. Sure, sideways action isn't nearly as fun as going upwards, but you can see that has yielded a very nice breakout from that point. So just continue to go through healthy consolidations and build higher bases. And again, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls are 100% in control of the current price move. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.